In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, freelance work has emerged as a beacon of hope and opportunity, offering professionals the flexibility to take control of their careers. Welcome to Freelancing Freedom, the ultimate guide to online gigs that pay. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or hoping to replace your 9-to-5, freelancing provides an array of avenues to explore. Let's delve into the world of online gigs. One of the most popular paths is content creation. From writing articles to producing educational videos, the demand for fresh content is ceaseless. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer fertile ground for content creators to connect with clients across the globe. Switching gears, graphic design and digital art are flourishing in the freelancing arena. Businesses are always on the hunt for skilled creatives who can craft unique visuals to represent their brands. Mastering tools like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop can significantly enhance your marketability. For those with a technical bend, web development and programming offer lucrative opportunities. With the right coding expertise, you can design and develop websites from scratch, meeting the digital needs of businesses everywhere. Websites such as GitHub and LinkedIn play a crucial role in showcasing your skills to prospective clients. Social media management has also surged as companies strive to maintain their digital presence. A talent for crafting engaging posts and building online communities can establish you as a valuable asset in this field. However, it's not just skills that guarantee success in freelancing. Building a robust portfolio and a reliable network is imperative. Reliable communication and time management are equally crucial components in establishing a thriving freelance career. In conclusion, the realm of online gigs offers a treasure trove of possibilities. By leveraging your talents and honing your skills, the opportunity to achieve freelancing freedom is well within reach. Embark on this journey and shape a future on your term. Want more proven side hustle ideas? Follow and subscribe now. If you're ready to start earning extra income immediately, www.kill9to5.com.